Let's learn how to create a puff stitch. Begin with the foundation row. Chain 3 and turn. We will skip 1 stitch. Yarn over your hook and insert it into the next stitch. Yarn over and draw up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and draw up another loop for 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a loop for 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on your hook. You have completed a cluster stitch. I like to chain 1 at this point to secure the stitch. Let's skip 1 stitch and repeat this process across the row. Additionally, you can go to my webpage, www.crochetmethat.com, for many free crochet patterns.